Hi everyone, Canoopsy here. I just finished reviewing the OnePlus 6 on my channel very recently, and a quick summary, I really enjoy this phone a lot. It has an excellent build, incredible speed, great hardware features, and a set of cameras I both trust and enjoy using on a daily basis. So I'll be showing you how I use my OnePlus 6 and also how I've customized it to make it the perfect Android device for me. In this video, brought to you by Massdrop and AKG's custom K7XX audiophile grade headphones. Find out more at the end of the video or hit the first link in the video description to learn more. So on the outside, my OnePlus 6 is usually rocking either the Sandstone OnePlus official case, which takes me back to my great days with the OnePlus One, or if I don't feel like using a case, a matte black D-brand skin with a red logo accent. On the software side, I combine my two favorite versions of Android, which are Oxygen OS and the Pixel Launcher experience, and created an ultra minimal version of Android with Nova Launcher. I'm still customizing and refining, but the general finished look is sort of what you see right now. So we start with Nova Launcher and a bottom search bar similar to the Google Pixel 2. It's quick and easy to access Google Assistant for any quick searches or questions. Above that are my commonly used applications, which are Google Chrome, Gmail, Twitter, Instagram, and Hangouts for chat. They're all very easy to reach and access, and also using Nova Launcher, I've set up the ability to actually swipe on the dock for more handy applications right there. And in my second dock page, I have Google Tasks, Google Pay, Phone, Shazam for audio recognition, and LinkedIn. Above that, on the main portion of the home screen, I have the applications I use pretty often on a daily basis. So things like mapping, weather, YouTube Creator Studio, Reddit, texting, music, all those type of things. And all of these apps are using the Pixel icon pack just so everything is super consistent and clean. I do like the OnePlus app styles a lot on this device, but I wanted all consistent circles and designs. And using the Tesla Unread application allows me to have notification numbers for each application so I don't miss really anything on my device. At the very top of the screen, I have a widget called Just Another Widget, and it's my only widget on this device, and it's very close to the one found in the Google Pixel 2. It shows the date, any calendar appointments, and the temperature. Google also offers a very similar widget on most Android devices, but I actually prefer this version mainly because of the font choice with no shadow and also further customization. Swiping down, the quick toggle panel has orange accents, so it better matches my wallpaper choice, and I also have the dark mode theme on here too, so it themes all my OnePlus applications and UI elements with the dark theme. Swiping up shows my app drawer, and inside I have 4 different tabs. The first tab is just general apps that I use fairly often or need quick access to, but not all the time where they'd actually have a place on my home screen. The folder over shows apps for entertainment, so for games I have PUBG, Super Mario Run, and Dashy Crashy. I don't play too many games on my devices, but these are the ones I mainly need for either testing or just simply enjoyment. For video watching besides YouTube, I use Netflix of course, Amazon Prime Video, and sometimes Google Play Movies, but really not too often. The shows I've been watching recently are Brooklyn Nine-Nine, which I just finished, Arrested Development, and Luke Cage Season 2, which was excellent. The tab after that is for social media apps that I don't use as often as my main ones, but I just can't delete them either, and my final tab is for many utilities and apps that I rarely ever open. So things like smart device apps, icon and widget packs, wallpaper apps, all those kind of things. Some of these weird organization choices might not make any real logical sense, but for me personally, this is how I work and what works best for me. The software minimalism plus small but helpful touches in combination with simple organization on a device that is lightning fast with great hardware and other excellent touches makes this kind of my ideal Android device and ideal Android software experience. And speaking of ideal, the OnePlus 6 still has a headphone jack, thankfully. So why not get a great pair of audiophile headphones like the K7XX from Massdrop and AKG. They work great with your smartphone, computer, tablet, or take it up a notch with a dedicated amplifier or DAC. These are open back headphones that simply sound excellent for your favorite tracks in all genres or sound effects in gaming. There's solid bass and good details in the mids and highs, and things sound the way they're supposed to sound with a beautiful wide soundstage. The design is lightweight, classy, understated, and very comfortable, and I'm super impressed at the quality here for just $199. Link in the description to buy a pair for yourself at massdrop.com, and thanks to Massdrop for supporting my channel. So this has been a look at my OnePlus 6 and how I actually use it on a daily basis. Any feedback for customization, let me know in the comments down below, and thank you for watching.